assistant from the first officer Layville Paris. Our flight will now take about 1 hour and 45 minutes. In the meantime, please your attention to the crew member Bulwan Lee, Josh Bayan Bautista, Sheila May Carmina, and Princess P. Apa, who will now demonstrate the use of safety equipment of this aircraft. First, fasten your seatbelt. Please dispatch. To release it, please dispatch. Now, the use of your life vest. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip the vest over your head. And bring the waist around your waist. To use it, slip over the rest of your neck, connect the clip, and tighten the strap by pulling it outwards. To inflate your life vest, pull the red straps firmly downwards. To inflate it further, blow into one of these mouthpieces. You should inflate your life vest only at the exit door. For attracting attention, you can use the whistle and the light. Please know that your life vests are meant for use in emergency. Removing your life vest in any circumstances can jeopardize safety of passengers and its criminal offense. In the event of sudden loss of cabin pressure, an oxygen mask will automatically drop out of compartment above. Pull the mask down sharply to activate the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth. Place the elastic strap over your head. And tighten it by pulling the end of the strap. Remain calm and breathe normally. Your oxygen supply is now regulated, and it's normal that the oxygen mask unit is releasing state. If you're traveling with a child, attend yourself first, then to the child. Please know that there are 6 or 8 emergency exits in this aircraft. These exits are 2 doors at the front, and the 2 sides each over the wing windows. During the evacuation, do not carry your hand luggage with you. If the smoke is present, keep and follow floor lights that nearest exit indicated by the light. The safety information card is a packet that contains additional information. Please read it carefully before takeoff. The use of portable electronic devices is not allowed during the takeoff and landing. Transmitting devices such as personal handphones must be switched off and their use is prohibited all the time in this aircraft. It is an offense to smoke in the aircraft, and smoking in the laboratory may set smoke alarm. Thank you and for your attention. Ladies and gentlemen, we will be taking off shortly, so please straighten up your seatbelt. Make sure your seatbelt is strictly fastened. Window shades slowly open, tray tables closed. Thank you and mabuhay.
That way.